I hope you are doing well. So today in chapter number 2 that you can see fun with numbers, we will see further exercise. Okay. Now let's start. Expand the numbers given below. Now here you can see numbers are given that we have to write in expanded form. In expanded form, we break up a number according to their place value and expand it to show the value of each digit. Now let's see. Okay. Now in the very first one, you can see it's written 117. So first of all, we will see place value of that. Okay. Now let's see. Now see students, this column you can see is of ones. Okay. So we will write over here O. O stands for ones. And this column you can see this is of tens. Okay. So T stands for tens. So here we will write T. Now this column you can see this is of hundreds. Now H stands for hundreds. Yes. Now coming to this number. Now 7 ones. Okay. So here we will write 7. 1 tens. So here we will write 1 ten. Yes. Now 1 hundredths. So here we will write 1. Yes. We got the value. We got the place value of each digit. Yes. Now how we can write in numbers? See. 100. 100 plus 1 tenths. Yes. So here we will write 10 plus 7 ones. Yes. So here we will write 7. Okay. Now let's see. Now in this dash we will write 1 hundredths. Yes. Now 1 tenths. So in this blank we will write 1 and then we will write tenths. Now yes, 7 ones. Yes. So in this blank we will write 7 and here we will write ones. So students understood how to write in expanded form? Yes. Now moving to the next number. Now here it's written 134. Yes, what it is written? 134. So first of all we'll see place value. Yes. Now let's see. See, in ones place we will write 4. Yes. Now here you can see 3. That comes in tens place. Yes. So here we will write 3. 3 tens and this 1. 100. Yes. So 1. 130. 3 times 10. 30. Then 4. 4 ones. Okay. So how we write? See. 100 plus 3 tens means 30. So here we will write 30. Then plus. Yes, 4 ones. So here we write 4. Understood? Now, in this blank we will write 1, then hundreds. Yes. Now next you can see it is written 3 tenths. Yes. So here we will write in this blank 3. Then here we will write tenths. Now 4 ones. Yes. So in this blank we will write 4 and then ones. Understood how to do this? Yes. Now moving to the next number. Now which number it is written? 185. 185. Now let's do it. Okay. So again we will make column. Yes. See students, now here you can see 5. Yes, that comes in ones place. Okay. So here first of all we will write O, then T in this column and then in this column H. Now 5 comes in 192. Now first of all, let's see its place value. Okay. So now here we will make column, yes, of ones, tens and hundreds. Yes. So here we will write O, here T and here H. Okay. Now here you can see this 2 that comes in ones place. Yes. So here we will write 2 in ones place. Now next number you can find out 9. Yes. That you will write in tens place. Yes. Now coming to 1, that you can see this will come in hundreds place. So here we will write 1. Okay. Now let's expand it in numbers. Okay. Now here you can see 100s means 100. Yes. 1 into 100, 100. So here we will write 100. Okay. Now plus 9 tens. 9 into 10, 90. Yes. So here we will write 90, 90. Plus, now here 2 ones. Yes. So here we will write 2. Okay. Now let's expand it. Now see. In this dash we will write 1. Okay. Here we will write spelling of hundreds. Okay. Now HUNDREDS 100s. Now in this blank, yes, here it will come 9. Okay, 9 tens. So 9 and here we will write TENS tens. Now this 2, yes, 2 ones. So in this blank we will write 2 and here we will write ones. ONES ones. Understood? Now moving to the next number. What it is written? 168. Yes, 168. Now let's do it. Yes. First we will make column, yes, of ones, tens and hundreds. So now students, in this column what will come? Yes, 8 ones. So here we write 8. Okay. Now next you can see 6. Yes, this will come in tens column. 6 tens. Yes. And here in hundreds place, yes, 1 will come. So here we will write 1. Okay. Now we will expand it in numbers. 100. Okay. 100 plus 6 tens means 16. Yes. Plus 8 ones 8. Okay. 168. Okay. Now see, in this blank what it will come? Yes, 1. And here hundreds. Now in this blank, yes, 6 tens. So here we will write 6 and here we will write tens. Okay. Now next 8 ones. Yes. So here we will write 8 and here we will write ones. Understood how to do it? Yes. Now students, let's see another one. 102. So first of all, we will see its place value. Okay. So here we will make column, yes, of ones, tens and hundred. So here we will write O, then T, then H. Okay. Now this 2 you can see, this we will write in ones column. Yes. So here we will write 2. Now 0, tens. Yes. So here we will write 0. Now 100. Yes. So here we will write 1. Okay. Now let's see. So 100 plus we will write double 0. Why 2 zeros? Because 0 tens. It is there. Yes. 0 only. Yes. So here it will come 2 zeros. Okay. As we see in tens place. So now this 2 you can see. So here we will write plus 2. Understood? Now how we will write this in expanded form? Here we will write 1, then HUNDREDS, hundreds. Okay. Now in this dash we will write 2 zeros. Okay. Then tens. Yes. Now in this blank it will come 2 ones. Understood how to do this? Yes. Now students, let's see another exercise. Write the figures for the expanded form. Now we have already learned how to write in expanded form from standard form. Now in this exercise we will learn how to write in standard form from expanded form. Okay. Now let's see. It is written 100 plus 4 tens plus 5 ones. Now let's add this. Okay. First of all, now see 100. So 1 double 0 100. Okay. Now 4 tens. 4 times tens. Yes. So 40. Now 5 ones. So here we will write 5. Now we will just add this. Okay. We will add this. Now see students, 0 plus 0 plus 5. So here it will come 5. Yes. Now 0 plus 4. Yes. Here we will write 4. And this one that you can see in 100 place, here we will write 1. Now you got in standard notation. Yes, in standard form. In this blank we will write like this. 145. Understood? Now moving to the next one. 100 plus 3 tens plus 7 ones. Now same thing we will do here. We will add this now. See. 100. Now what it is written? 3 tens. 3 tens is 30. Yes. So 30. Now 7 ones. Okay. So here we will write 7. Now here we will add this. Now let's see. See 0 plus 0 plus 7. We will get 7. Yes. Here we will write 7. Now here 0 plus 3. Yes. Here we will write 3. Now this one you can see. Yes. Here we will write 1. So in this blank we will write like this. Okay. 137. 137. Yes. Now next one also we will see. 100 plus 8 tens plus 0 ones. Okay. Now let's see. See. 100. Now what it is written? How many tens? 8 tens. 8 tens is equal to 80. Yes. So here we will write 8, 0, 80. Now 0 ones. So here we will write 0. Yes. So we will add this. Now see 0 plus 0 plus 0. Yes, you will get 0 only. So here we will write 0. Okay. Now 0 plus 8. Yes, 8. So here we will place 8. Now coming to this one. Yes, we will write here 1. Okay. Now this is how we will write here in this blank 180. Understood?